Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to use the new Colourpop She's Got Solstice palette. I really like how this turned out, and if you want to see how I got it, then just keep watching. I'm starting out with a shade called Big Bang. This is just a neutral color. I'm placing it all over my lid just to even everything out so I have a nice base. Next, I'm going in with a shade called Nova. I'm placing it right above my crease, blending up just a little bit. This is going to be my transition shade. I always like to start with a little bit of product and just build it and just get it as dark as I want, and then I take a clean fluffy brush and go over the edges to make sure there are no harsh lines. For my crease, I'm using the shade called Chromosphere and doing the same thing, just building it until it's as dark as I want, and then taking my clean fluffy brush to blend out the edges. Not really sure why my lighting changed. My camera stopped recording because my memory card was full, so I had to delete a couple of things, and then when I started filming again, it must have messed with the lighting, so I'm sorry about that. But now I'm just going back in with the shade Nova and placing it all across my lower lash line, and I actually end up going back with Chromosphere to go on top of that because I wanted it to be a little bit darker. Next, I'm taking the shade called Super Stardust and placing it all over my lid. I feel like the shadow is best applied with your finger because it seems like it's more of a loose pressed pigment. And just warning y'all, it is a little bit messy, but it is so pretty. Now I'm going back in with Chromosphere and placing it on the outer corner, dragging it up into my crease. This is what's already in my crease, but I wanted to kind of deepen it up on that outer corner, and then I'm also going to put it on the outer corner of my lower lash line. This is when I decided to go ahead and just drag it all the way across. And now I'm taking a black eyeliner and lining my lower waterline. Making the beautiful mascara face, I'm now applying Maneater by Tarte, which is my all-time favorite mascara because it doesn't get clumpy or flake off, and it really gets in there and separates your lashes. And to finish off the look, I'm using the NARS lipstick in the shade called Rose Cliff. So that completes this look. I really like how it turned out. I think this palette is so pretty. There's a mix of matte and shimmer, and they're all neutrals, so it's just a great overall palette. Plus, it's really affordable too, under $20. I'll go ahead and link it down below in the description bar in case y'all want to check it out. But if you did like this look, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I make new videos every week, but I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.